This isn't just a giveaway announcement. It's the story of an empty journal that slowly come to life, one challenge at a time. Today we will revisit every page, announce the winner, and if you stay till the end, I have a special surprise that I can't wait to share with all of you. Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and happy journaling. Usually we start with challenges, Lumi comes and troubles me, and together we fill another page. But today, there is no more challenges. Today is all about celebrating this beautiful journey. When I started this series, I honestly had no idea how much love it would receive. I simply wanted to answer one question. Will the journal finish first or the kit? But somewhere along the way, it stopped being just a challenge. It became something much bigger. Every episode brought new ideas, every page told a different story. And every comment reminded me why I love creating so much. So before this journal finds its new home, I thought, why not to relive every page together one last time? And yes, the giveaway winner is going to be announced today. But that's not all. Do you remember I kept saying there was one surprise waiting at the end of this series? Well, today is finally the day. So stay with me till the very end. Now let's open this journal one last time and remember how every page come to life. So this is where it all began. I started this journal on 21st March 2026. And now the ending date won't be written by me. It will be written by the person who takes this journal home. And here's our very first challenge. Everything had to be made with circles. I still think this page looks so cute and playful. And I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this one also. And honestly, I love how balanced it still feels. Now let's move on to the next one. This border challenge was so much fun. It's simple, but it frames the whole page so beautifully. And this one, I really like the border. I remember I did it with brush pen, and it really turned out very beautifully. I absolutely loved creating this wavy top. Just one little detail completely changed the look of the page. This one was all about decorating the center. It was definitely challenging, but I really enjoyed how everything came together. This page still makes me smile. I love how cutting out that little cat gives the whole page a cute little 3D effect. It was a fun. And then on the next page, I have always loved covering the background. It makes the whole page feel warm, cozy, and complete. And here's the first interactive page. I think journals become even more special when they invite you to open, explore, and interact with them. And this one definitely one of them. And the next page, I really love how soft and elegant this page feels. Sometimes simplicity says the most. It honestly reminds me of spring with flowers blooming everywhere. This one has such a calm and a peaceful vibe. It's one of those pages that just makes me happy every time I see it. And this page and the next page is the minimal one. This page proves that you don't always need a lot. Sometimes just a few beautiful details are enough. I hope whoever gets this journal fills this page with a beautiful memory. And then this one, I really love this one also. And then we moved on to another little experiment. This one surprised everyone. There wasn't a check pattern in the kit, so I made one myself. I think that's what creativity is all about. This page is really special. I left this little frame empty on purpose so the winner can place their own favorite picture here. I loved proving that even decorating just the bottom can completely transform a page. And yes, this one. I really love this one. These tiny pockets are one of my favorite interactive elements. I hope they get filled with little memories, notes, or tiny treasures someday. I love how it turned out. Now let's move on to the next one. And this one. This has to be one of my favorite pages in the entire journal. The little window was such a fun idea. I am so happy you all loved it as much as I did. These tiny envelopes turned out even cuter than I imagined. And yes, there are little surprises hidden inside them. I hope the winner enjoys opening every single one. Next is more interactive pages. I just couldn't stop myself. I love creating journals that don't just look beautiful, they are meant to be explored. And finally, the last page, the only page where I had no plan. I simply trusted my creativity and used all the little cute supplies I was saving till the very end. I think it was the perfect way to finish this journal. And these pages, they are still waiting. They will be filled by someone who's watching this video right now. And I truly hope they become a part of some beautiful memories. Looking at this journal now, it honestly doesn't feel like just paper anymore. Every challenge, every little mistake, every tiny sticker, every leftover scrap become part of this story. And now, it's finally ready for someone else's memories. I received hundreds of beautiful comments for this giveaway. I read every single one. Some of them made me smile, some of them honestly made me emotional. If it were possible, I would love to send this journal to every one of you. Because in my eyes, every single one of you deserves it. But a giveaway has one difficult rule. Only one name can be chosen. So, after reading all your beautiful messages, I have finally selected today's winner. And this is the moment we have all been waiting for. First of all, to every single person who participated in this giveaway, thank you. Your comments weren't just comments, they were little stories, little dreams, and beautiful reasons that touched my heart. Now, it's time to announce the winner. So, the winner of this pink journal is Kirat Hobby Corner. Well, congratulations! This beautiful journal is finally yours. I truly hope it becomes a place where you collect your happiest memories, your biggest dreams, and all the little moments that make life beautiful. I'll be contacting you on Instagram very soon, so please keep an eye on your messages. And to everyone else, please don't feel disappointed. This may be the end of this giveaway, but it's definitely not the end of our journey. There are many more surprises, giveaways, and creative adventures waiting for all of us. So, if today wasn't your day, maybe the next one will be. And now, the surprise I have been waiting to tell you. I have selected a few of my favorite stationery products and added them in the description. This time, instead of one winner, there will be 3. If there is something you would love to have, just follow me on Instagram and send me a message telling me which product you chose and why would you love to have it. That's it. I can't wait to read your messages. And now, before ending today's video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for making this channel feel like a family. Some of you have been here from the very beginning. Some of you joined in the middle of this series. But every single one of you has become part of Stationery Fest. I read your comments, I read your Instagram messages. Even if I can't reply immediately, please know that I see them. And they genuinely make my day. And don't worry, this isn't goodbye. There are so many journals waiting to be created. New challenges, new series, new ideas, and of course, many more giveaways. If you love stationery, journaling, crafts, scrapbooking, or simply creating beautiful things, I truly think you will love what's coming next. And remember, creativity isn't a talent that only a few people have. It's a habit that grows every time you decide to create something. So don't wait for the perfect supplies, don't wait for the perfect idea. Just start. And I'll be right here, waiting to see what you create next. Until then, keep creating, keep smiling, and happy journaling. Okay, bye.